paper planes! Why don't we make Christmas decoration today? For this, we will require a bulb and some acrylic paints. Let's start by painting our bulb with one color. Well, you can choose whichever color is your favorite. Let's start by painting this well and make sure we do not have to keep any spaces empty. Now, let's give it a beautiful outline. Yes, we need to give it a definition and hence we are going to keep our bulb in sleeping and start making this line. Make sure that you do not keep your bulb on the floor or else the color might spread. Why don't we take a flat brush for this? This looks great. Why don't we do a little bit of more detailing on this? Let's try making this line with perfection. This looks great. If you want to keep your bulb down, please make sure that you keep a tissue paper or a normal paper below. Now, why don't we take the next color? Yes, we have chosen blue color for this. Let's complete painting the white part. If you feel that your color is a little light, then you can give 2 coatings of the same color then. Make sure to use acrylic colors. This looks lovely. Now it's time for us to decorate this with another color. So let's take the back of the brush and start making these dots. Well, you can also make dots of different sizes. Small to big or big to small. Let's make the dot on top of this line first. Well, you can make your own design as well. Let's complete the entire line, and after that, why don't we start making dots from small to big? Yes, one line is going to be on the blue part and the second line is going to be on the pink part. This is a very easy design and quick to do it as well. If you have any last-minute decorations to be done, you can follow this and do it. Let's complete the entire design in a similar way. And look, this is complete. decorated and looks lovely, isn't it? You can also put this on your Christmas tree. If you wish to, you can also paint this top part with white or whichever you like. If you feel so, you can paint this top part with white or with your favorite color. And look, your Christmas decoration is ready.
Like, share and subscribe and hit the bell icon.
I hope you had a lot of fun, friends. And for those of you who don't know me, I am Puffy Pups and this is my car, Bubbles. See you next time.